Dean, you know, since this free to grow program was enrolled here at Fort Jackson, the last incident I had with one of the mixers, I was very cold, which came out by the feedback of the peers or subordinates. And when he filled it in, he actually told me, listen, I can see there's a change in you. And I know this guy is also working on your shift because we're rotating. How is he doing on your shift?
At the moment he's doing much better as to where he was. He's improving a lot. Also I just done with them, with the strengths and the weaknesses. So actually he's growing a lot from where he was.
And when I sat with the manager, I was very impressed with the cards they had and asking questions.
How they have to ask us questions and how we interact with them.
And also the fact that they also had homework to do.
Not just us. So it's coming from both sides, managers and supervisors.
So it's not a one-way street where we just must run to them and get. They can also call us in and
That's why they call it growing together. All of us will grow together.
Yeah, I think this is a very good. I'm looking forward to module 2.
Tomorrow,
yeah,
yes.
I can't wait.
I agree with you.